भूर्भुवस्वः
भूर्भुवस्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
Hello student. Okay, so last we have completed with the revision of the chapter number 11, right? In the last lecture we have done the word problems, then after the addition and subtraction questions, I guess, right? Before that we have done the convert problems, right? Okay, so next we are doing the revision of the chapter number 12, time, on your revision sheet. Okay, so revision sheet, chapter number 12, time. Okay, let's start with the first question. Okay, so as per that, the first question is like converts the following. So that means we have to convert in this one. Again, the convert questions are there. Let's start with the first one. 3 hours and 15 minutes that we have to convert it into the so 3 hours 15 minutes that we have to convert it into minutes, right? Okay, so let's start it. Okay, we know that one thing, which is 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, right? So as per 3 hour is equals to 3 multiplied by 60, right? So that is 6 3s are 18 and it is 10 is added, so it is 180 minutes. This 15 minutes is added into this 18 minutes, 180 minutes. So that is a 0 plus 5, 5, 8 plus 1 9, and this 1. Done. So the answer of this one is 195 minutes, right? So that's how you have to do the question. It is just a revision of the questions that we have done previously also. Then okay, so next I am doing the hard questions only. 9 hours, same one. 11 hours 11 minutes, same as that one only. Fifth one, 2 hours and 14 minutes, this is also same as the one only. Sixth one, this is also not hard one, but it is a different from the first one, so I am doing it. Sixth one, 5 minutes 10 seconds. So we'll write the short form only, right? 5 minutes 10 seconds is equals to how many seconds? Okay, let's do this. Okay, in this one also we know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, right? Okay, so for that 5 minutes is equals to 5 multiplied by 60. So 5 6 are 30 and the 0 is added at the last. So this answer is 300 second plus this 10 second is added into this 300. So as per that, answer is 310 second. Then okay, this is again the calculation type of questions, so no need to remind that if there is a calculation is there and there is no space in your revision sheet, then this type of questions you also have to do in the notebook. Then so as per that, first questions all you have to do in the notebook also. Then the answer you can write in the revision sheet. Okay. Next, seventh one is also as same as the sixth one. Eighth one. Okay, 8th, 9th, 10th. Directly 10th one. Somewhat hard, I guess. 10th one. 7 days and 12 hours is equals to how much hours? Okay. Okay, so we know that 1 day is equals to how much hours? 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So as per that, 7 days is equals to 7 multiplied by 24. Then let's do this multiplication on a side. 7 fours are 28, 2 here, sorry 8 here, 2 carry over. 7 twos are 14 plus 2, 16. So 168 is the proper answer. So 168 hours. And this is not the final answer. This 12 hours also we have to add in this one. So at last we got the final answer. 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry over. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 1. So the final answer is 180 hours. Right? Okay, so that's how you have to do the first questions. I have done the few questions of it. The remaining questions, as you know, you have to do in the homework. Okay. Okay, next there is a second question is like arrange the time in column and find the sum. So you have to arrange the time. The time is given that you have to arrange it, and then after you have to do the addition, sum, that means addition आपको करना है. Then the first one, there are given the 4 questions. Okay, I am doing the second one and the fourth one. Then second question, sum, you have to do. Second one. Okay, so the question is like, I am writing the questions out of 9 hours 25 minutes and 2 hours plus 2 hours 32 minutes. Yeah? Not that much hard, any of them. Okay, let's first put both of them in the column. So hours and minute. So on this side we will write the hours. Over here it's a minute. 9 hours 25 minutes, 2 hours 32 minutes. Let's add them. 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 3, 5, 9 plus 2, 11. Easy one. Answer is 11 hours and 57 minutes. Right? Okay, let's do the fourth one. This is the second one. First one and third one of this second question, addition, that you have to do it by yourself. Fourth one. In this one I am directly put all of them in the column because three sections are there: hours, minute and second. The question is like 4 hours 15 minutes 32 seconds and 13 hours 15 minutes and 17 seconds. Then so I am writing all of them like hours, minute and second. So the first one is 4 hours 15 minutes and 32 seconds. Second one is 13 hours 15 minutes also in this one and 17 seconds. And we have to do the addition. Let's add them. 7 plus 2, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Over here we have to put 0. 4 plus 3, 7. 0 plus 1, 1. So the answer of this one is 17 hours 30 minutes and 49 seconds. Then okay, so that's how you have to do the second question. Remaining two questions you have to do it by yourself. Okay, let's do the next question, which is third one. Okay, so on that one there is a, again you have to arrange it in the column only, but this time you have to do the subtraction. Done? Okay, in this one there are given the 4 questions only. Okay, so I am doing the first one and last one. Okay, first one is easy, second one and last one. Okay, so fourth question, first one, not the first one, second one. So question is like 5 hours and 20 minutes and 2 hours and 80 minutes. Right? Hours, minute. So 5 hours, 20 minutes, 2 hours, 18 minutes. This one you have to do the subtraction. Okay, so 0 minus 8, not possible. We have to take the borrow from this 2. So this 2 cutted as and become 1. This 0 cutted and become 10. Now 10 minus 8 remain with 2. 1 minus 1 remain with 0. 5 minus 2 remain with 3. Done? So that's how you have to do. I am repeating it, the step. 0 minus 8 cannot be done. So we have to take the borrow from the previous number, which is 2. So ये जो 2 है वो कट होकर हो जाएगा 1 और यहाँ पर बोरो आ जाएगा 10 का. So 10 minus 8 remain with 2. 1 minus 1 0. 5 minus 2 3. So the answer is 3 hours and 2 minutes. Right? Let's do the last one. Fourth question. 7 hours 52 minutes and 2 hours and 5 minutes. 7 hours 52 minutes, 2 hours and 5 minutes. So 5 minutes I cannot write over here, as you know that 5 के नीचे 5 मैं नहीं लिख सकता because this 5 is in the tens place and मेरा जो 5 ये वाला जो 5 minutes है वो ones की place पर है. So यहाँ पे मुझे ये 2 के नीचे 5 लिखना पड़ेगा और आगे 0 पुट कर देना है. डन, ताकि कोई कंफ्यूजन ना हो कैलकुलेशन के टाइम. डन. Okay, now let's find the subtraction of this one. 2 minus 5 cannot be done. We have to take the borrow from this 5. This 5 is cutted, become 4, right? Now over here is this 2 is cutted and become 10 plus 2, 12, right? Now 12 minus 5 remain with 7. 4 minus 0, 4 as it is. 7 minus 2 remain with 5. So the answer is 5 hours and 47 minutes, right? Okay, so that's how we have to do all this kind of questions of addition and subtraction. And this one also I have done with the 2 questions only, question number 2 and question number 4, right? Remaining questions you have to do in the homework. Okay, let's take one more question. This which is question number now I guess 1 2 3 4th question. Convert each time in 12-hour to 24-hour clock. Okay, so these questions we are directly doing with the tabular form. Then so we have to convert from 12-hour to 24-hour clock. Then so over this side we write the 12-hour clock. This side we write the 24-hour clock, right? Side over both of them. The table you have to draw, not compulsory that you have to draw it, because in this one I directly answer you can write. Then okay, let first question number 1, 7:12 a.m. Then question number 2, next question number 3, 6:39 p.m. and at last question number 4, 11:56:23 p.m. This type of all questions we have already seen in the textbook. Done? Okay, let's do this questions. Okay, so in the 12-hour clock the time is 7:12 a.m. Then a.m. means morning ke. So as I said previously also, that one thing that you have to remember, which is before the afternoon, then in both of the clock whatever time is given, both time is same. Then so this am, that means it's a time before the afternoon, before the noon, that means 12 o'clock ke pehle. Then so this time is same in the 24-hour clock also. Then so answer is 7:12, but instead of am we have to write in the 24-hour clock hours, right? Next, third one, 6:39 p.m. Okay, so this is converted like a it is after the noon time, 6:39 p.m., right? So in this one we have to add 12 hours in the hour section. So 12 plus 6 is equals to 18. So 18 है ना 39, because right now see इसमें मिनट्स में हमें कुछ चेंजेस नहीं करना है, ना ही हमें सेकंड में चेंजेस करने का आएगा अगर दिया है तो. Why? Because we directly add the hours only, मिनट्स कुछ ऐड नहीं कर रहे. सो डायरेक्टली वो आपको आवर्स के सेक्शन में ही ऐड करना रहेगा, which is 6. Then so 6 plus 12 that is equals to 18. So 18 and 39 hours. Okay, next 11 and 56 and 23 p.m. So it is 11 hours 56 minutes and 23 seconds. Yeah? So this is again p.m. afternoon. Add 12 in the hour section, which is 11. So 11 plus 12, it is 23. So 23 and 56 and 23 hours. Okay, that's it for today from my side. Remaining two you can do in the homework. So today we have done with the first question of the time, which is converts the following. Then after we have seen the arrange in the columns and find the sum. Second question, which is then after the third question, the same as that, only just the difference you have to find. That means subtraction you have to do. And the last question of this one, you have to convert from 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock, right? Okay, so that's it from for today from my side. Remaining question of all of these 4 questions you have to do in your homework. Then see, remember, whichever questions are done in the worksheet that you can do it. Then जिसमें मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन आ रहा है वो वाले क्वेश्चंस आपको नोटबुक में अपने रेफरेंस के लिए लिखने रहेंगे. डन. Okay, so that's it for today from my side. Bye bye everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.